When it comes to decorating for Christmas, we often think about the living room, the mantle, or even the front yard, but the bathroom. It's a space that gets overlooked sometimes, but adding a bit of holiday magic to it can truly elevate the overall festive atmosphere in your home. Think about it, the bathroom is a space we use daily. So why not make it as cheerful and inviting as the rest of the house during the Christmas season? One of the main reasons to decorate the bathroom is that it adds continuity to your holiday theme throughout the entire home. If every other room is filled with Christmas cheer, stepping into a plain bathroom can feel like a sudden break in the atmosphere. Having even small touches of holiday decor in the bathroom keeps the festive spirit flowing from room to room, creating a more immersive and consistent environment. It shows attention to detail, and that alone can elevate your entire holiday setup, making your home feel well put together and thoughtfully designed. Now, you might wonder what benefits come from decorating the bathroom specifically. First, it enhances the experience for your guests. If you're having visitors over for holiday gatherings, whether it's a casual get-together or a full-on Christmas dinner, they'll appreciate the little festive surprises in the bathroom. Imagine how much joy they'll feel when even a quick bathroom break immerses them in holiday cheer. These small intentional touches make your home feel warm, welcoming, and a bit more memorable. Plus, it's an unexpected element that might get people talking, making your home stand out in a good way. From a more personal standpoint, adding Christmas decorations to your bathroom can enhance your own experience. Think about those early morning routines when you're getting ready for the day. If your bathroom is filled with soft, twinkling lights or festive scents, it sets a positive, cheerful mood right from the start. Even during quiet, relaxing moments like taking a hot bath after a long day, a bit of Christmas decor can add to that sense of coziness and comfort. It's all about creating a pleasant atmosphere that brings joy during the season, not just in the obvious spaces, but in the smaller, more personal areas of your home too. When it comes to decorating ideas, you don't have to go overboard, and that's one of the advantages of bathroom decor. A few well-placed decorations can make a big difference. For starters, think about swapping out your everyday towels for festive ones. You could use towels with Christmas-themed prints, or even something simple like red, green, or gold tones to add that holiday vibe. Matching bath mats can also bring the look together, and they're easy to change once the holidays are over. One easy way to add a festive touch is by incorporating holiday scents. Candles, reed diffusers, or even some festive scented soap can make the bathroom smell like Christmas without requiring much effort. Scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla are perfect for this. Not only does it enhance the ambience, but it also adds a bit of luxury to the space. A beautifully scented bathroom can feel like a little spa retreat during the holidays. Another idea is to add small decorative pieces around the bathroom. Think about placing a mini Christmas tree on the countertop or a small wreath on the door. Even just a few ornaments in a clear bowl or some pine cones and greenery placed on a shelf can add that festive touch without taking up too much space. If you have shelves or countertops, string lights are another easy and fun way to brighten up the room. Battery-operated fairy lights are ideal for the bathroom since they don't require an outlet and can be tucked around mirrors, shelves, or along the sink area. Let's not forget about the shower curtain. Changing your regular shower curtain to a more festive one is an easy way to make a big impact. You could go for something playful with Christmas patterns or stick with a more subtle design that matches the holiday colors in your bathroom. A themed shower curtain not only adds to the decor, but also becomes a focal point that ties the room together. If you're feeling crafty, you can even create your own Christmas bathroom decorations. Making a simple garland of dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or tiny pine cones adds a rustic, handmade touch to the space. You can hang it on the back of the door, around the mirror, or along the towel rack. Another option is to create small, framed Christmas prints to hang on the walls. They can be as simple as Christmas quotes or images of winter landscapes, adding a subtle, elegant touch to the decor. One thing to keep in mind when decorating the bathroom is that it's usually a smaller space, so less is more. You want to add to the festive feel without cluttering the room. Choose decorations that complement the size and style of your bathroom, ensuring the space still feels functional and clean. The last thing you want is to overdo it and make the bathroom feel cramped or difficult to use. Another advantage of decorating the bathroom is that it's an opportunity to be playful and experiment with your Christmas style. Since it's a smaller space, you can try out bolder decorations without committing to them throughout the entire house. Whether you want to go with a traditional red and green theme or try something more modern and minimal, like metallic accents or winter whites, the bathroom can be a space where you have a bit more freedom to get creative. By including the bathroom in your holiday decorating plans, you create a complete, cohesive experience in your home. It's those little details that can make your space feel more thoughtful and festive. You'll find that even a small effort in this area goes a long way, and it can often be one of the quickest spaces to decorate. For a more subtle, yet impactful idea, consider changing up the accessories. Something as simple as switching out the soap dispenser for one with a Christmas theme or holiday colors can add to the festive ambience. You could also replace your regular toothbrush holder or tissue box cover with holiday-themed versions. These small swaps don't take up much space, but they can really tie the decor together and make the bathroom feel like it's part of the holiday celebrations. If your bathroom has a window, don't forget to add a festive touch there as well. You could hang a small wreath or garland around the frame, or place a decorative holiday candle on the windowsill. If you want to take it a step further, adding frosted window clings or festive decals can bring an element of fun without being permanent. These are especially great if you have kids and want to get them involved in the decorating process. Speaking of kids, if you have little ones at home, decorating the bathroom can become a fun family activity. You can even have a separate theme for their bathroom, like using cartoon characters dressed in holiday attire or playful decorations that bring out the magic of the season. This can make bath time more exciting for them and add an extra layer of holiday joy. Don't forget that lighting plays a huge role in setting the holiday mood. Bathrooms typically have bright, functional lighting, but for the holiday season, consider adding softer, warmer lights. Battery-operated candles or LED tea lights can create a cozy, relaxing atmosphere without the worry of fire hazards. Pairing them with festive lanterns or placing them around the sink area can give the bathroom a warm glow that feels both elegant and comforting. If you want to really embrace the Christmas spirit in your bathroom, consider playing soft holiday music in the background when guests are over. A small Bluetooth speaker hidden on a shelf or countertop can play instrumental Christmas tunes, creating an even more immersive festive environment. It's all about those extra little touches that surprise and delight, making the bathroom not just functional but a small escape filled with the magic of the season. Decorating your bathroom for Christmas is all about extending that holiday joy to every corner of your home. It's a space that, with just a little bit of effort, can contribute to the overall ambience and make your holiday season feel more complete. Whether you go all out with your decorations or just add a few festive touches, the benefits are clear: more warmth, more joy, and a more cohesive festive home for you, your family, and your guests to enjoy. One of the nicest parts about decorating the bathroom for the holidays is that it doesn't require a huge budget. Often it's just a few well-chosen items, like a themed shower curtain, some holiday towels, or even a scented candle, that can transform the space. Since it's a smaller room, you don't need to spend a lot to make it feel festive. You might even find that you already have small decorations or ornaments lying around the house that can be repurposed for the bathroom. And for those who enjoy making their own decorations, the bathroom provides a great space to introduce some DIY elements. A homemade wreath made of eucalyptus or pine branches, a few ornaments tied with ribbon to a towel rack, or even a personalized Christmas sign can add that unique, handcrafted touch. It's a chance to add something personal, and perhaps even seasonal decor that speaks to the specific vibe you want your bathroom to have, whether that's rustic, glamorous, or minimalist. Ultimately, decorating your bathroom for Christmas brings the holiday spirit into every corner of your home. It enhances the festive atmosphere, delights your guests, and adds a touch of joy to your everyday routine. Plus, it's a fun, easy, and often budget-friendly way to spread the Christmas cheer in a space that's often forgotten.